Linking your bank account to US Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access your US Bank account. Log into your US Bank online banking account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Link New Account. In the Account Settings section, find the option to link new account or add external account. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your external bank account details, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank account information, review the details and confirm the linking request. You may need to verify the account through a small test deposit made by US Bank, which you will need to confirm to complete the linking process. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your US Bank account. This will enable you to transfer funds and manage your finances more easily.